In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom rhinestone transfers using any vinyl cutter. Everything you're going to need is going to be available in this video. Let's get started. Alright, so we have Cricut Design Space open, and as you can see right here, we have the SVG file uploaded. So basically the SVG file is your design, but the file is converted so that way the holes are all there, so that way the vinyl cutter can go ahead and cut each one out individually. So the way you're going to get this SVG file without you having to create it is to check out the link out in the description. I have an order form, so basically you just fill this out, and then that way I can get a better understanding of what you need rhinestone service wise, and then I'll go ahead and get you a quote. But some of the stuff that I offer is the custom hotfix rhinestone transfer. So this is like the transfers with your custom design ready to press. The custom SVG file, this is probably going to be the most affordable way to go. And then I have another tab up here which I'll show you in a second with the supplies you'll need to go with the tutorial of this video. And then you can also get the custom SVG file and the physical template, which is the stencil to make them. But if you're going to make everything yourself and follow this tutorial, just get the custom SVG file, because then that way you send me your logo and then I get it back to you, and when you upload it, it's this file but with whatever it is that your logo is. And then right here we can go to Rhinestone starter kit. So I have a few products up here. We have the Rhinestone starter kit, which has literally everything that you're going to need to get started. There's a little bit of rhinestone flock, transfer tape, some SS10 rhinestones, and then all the extra miscellaneous supplies that you're going to need. And then I also have some rhinestones in packs of 14,000, rhinestone flock, and then the transfer tape. So once you have your SVG file, this works with any vinyl cutter. But like I said, this is going to have everything you need to get started. So just get the starter kit and then get your SVG file with your design. And then you can go ahead and make your own transfers, and you're going to save a lot more money at the end making them yourself. So now that we have this uploaded here, we're just going to go ahead and hit make. Then we're going to go ahead and send it to the vinyl cutter, apply our stones, and then apply it all to the heat press. And if you have any questions so far, just let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and email me, all that good stuff, and I will get right back to you. But let's go ahead and get to the next step. Now that we have our rhinestone starter kit and our SVG file, we have everything that we need. So the first thing that we're going to do is load our rhinestone flock into the vinyl cutter. I'm using a Cricut Explorer Air 2. For the needle pressure, you're going to want to use Poster Board Plus, but if you're using a different vinyl cutter, I'll have the settings of the different needle pressure in the product description. Also, make sure your needle isn't dull, because if it is, you could have trouble cutting it properly. Now that we have our stencil cut out, we can add our stones. For this project, I used SS10 sized rhinestones. We're going to go ahead and use our brush tool to get all of the stones into place. Take your time during this process. Once you have all of the stones in place, you can add your transfer tape. Be careful during this part because you don't want to mess up after all your hard work. Now it's time to apply the transfer. Go ahead and set the heat press to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you always want to make sure that you pre-press your garment to make sure you get any moisture out, to make sure that the glue can adhere properly. This is how you're going to avoid it falling off in the wash. Once you're applying the transfer, go ahead and press for 10 to 15 seconds with medium pressure. Now go ahead and peel. Alright, that's everything you need to start making your own custom rhinestone transfers that can be applied to almost any garment. Everything used in this video is going to be in the description, and if you have any questions about any of the steps in this video, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next video.